So hey friends, it is finally cool enough in the morning to actually take some time and organize this van a little bit. So as you can plainly see behind me, there's still a lot of finish work to be done, but I'm just trying to get things kind of where they need to be so I can find them. It is really coming right along. I love the storage that John made for me. This is working out perfect. It seems like I have way more room than I did in my old van, and I'm not sure how that is, other than I did clean everything out. And then as I'm putting things back in, I'm only putting in the things that I actually used or needed. You know, I'm not carrying around any extra junk. So that's kind of nice. But yeah, I just wanted to show you kind of how I have things.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So right when you walk in the door, I have my fire extinguisher, my umbrella, my flip-flops, and my hatchet. Just things I need to keep real handy that I can grab in an instant. Now the little sink contraption, I haven't used that as a sink, but it's working great as some storage for my bathroom stuff. And I have my coffee cup nestled in a little sheet, so it rides safely. But yeah, that works. I'm using a cabinet for storage. I'll show that to you in a minute. And then somehow miraculously, my clothes ride along. Nothing falls off. I don't get it, but I'll take it. Got my extra towels, some extra pillowcases, cold weather stuff for when it gets cold. And then I picked up a couple of these little baskets at the Dollar Tree, and it's going to really help with organization. So I've just got geocaching stuff in one of them and lighting in the other, so it'll be real easy to grab if I need it. I've got that storage up there, which I will be utilizing. Really my camera gear and all that should be up there. It's just in the front seat. So, but yeah, I really love it. There's just so much storage. And yep, I've got my air conditioner set up, but I'm not even having to run it right now, and it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. This is awesome. Fall was slow coming, but I think it's finally trying to get here now. Well, if you're new to my channel, then you don't know what all this is. My filing cabinets, I love them and I hate them. They're metal, so like my bike dented the bottom one, so it's kind of messed up now, but it's okay. It works. But all of my food is in this one. I've got a junk drawer in the top. The other one is cookware, my stove, all of that kind of thing, my silverware. And then I've just got a spice cabinet on top with all kinds of stuff. I've got this little Coleman fridge, if you will. It doesn't really, it'll cool it down like 20 degrees if you run it. I don't even have it plugged in. I throw in 4 frozen water bottles in the bottom of the cooler, throw my food on top of that, and it works fine for a weekend. I am a weekend girl, so that works fine for me. If it was hotter, I would probably plug it in, but since it's pretty mild today, I don't think I need to. The food is perfect. All I've got in there is some lunch meat and cheese anyway. So it seems like I have more room under the bed than I used to, but it's because I pulled a bunch of junk out that I don't use. But yeah, everything I need's under there. I've got a tent, a bathroom tent, my shower stuff. I've got a bucket full of fuel and toilet paper, and then my emergency porta potty. That gray bin right there, that is full of drinks, so they don't roll around and don't take up a lot of room. So I can fit probably 48 beverages and a dozen waters in there, no problem. So I love that. Then I've just got about 11 gallons of water here and a random bag of stuff that is going back in the house. That as I've been cleaning out, this is stuff I don't need to carry around. So coming right along with the organization. Now, usually my cooler goes right there. I just have it pulled out right now because I was cleaning up. But it's very handy to have my ice chest here that has my drinks. And then I've got this water right here so I can fill up my water bottle. So yeah, all told, I probably keep between 10 and 12 gallons of water in this van at all times. Alright, now, here comes the ghetto upgrade, y'all. Right now I'm holding my door open with a string, but that's a whole nother thing. But as you can see, the window vent for the air conditioner has been redesigned. We used a moving blanket, the end that Leanna got me, and we cut part of the hose off that John got me. Anyway, so we just kind of redesigned it. This is super simple to just throw up real quick. It's super simple to take down. I've got these magnets that my friend Carol gave me that holds that tight to the door, and this is working so well. Keep it simple. That's my motto. So on my floor, this van came with this carpet, and that's fine. It doesn't bother me. I've got this little black mat for the hallway, if you will, and it's kind of nice. And then I just get these little cheap Walmart rugs, because that's where I track dirt, is right there. So I can just pull that out, shake it out, flip it over. I've got 3 of them, so when one gets dirty or muddy, I break out the next one. That's the simplest way I have found to keep my floors clean. Rue found a grasshopper. He's playing with him. Poor grasshopper. Where'd he go? Something I learned about curtain making is that I really suck at it. So we're taking the curtains down. Vicky taught me how to measure twice. No, yeah, that's it. And cut once. So we're hoping the second go round works a little better.